Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Charge the phone above 50%, enable Wi-Fi or connect via USB, and verify the exact Vivo model and Android version so you pick the correct method. Once done, make sure you've backed up photos and contacts to cloud or PC because unlocking may erase data. Now, power off the device and prepare to enter recovery or fast boot mode. This first step gets you into the phone's low-level tools that let you remove the lock safely. You next enter recovery or fast boot. Hold volume up plus power or the model's combo until the boot menu appears because correct entry is essential to avoid bricking. Then, navigate with volume keys to wipe data/factory reset and confirm with power. This removes the lock screen credentials. If Factory Reset Protection, FRP, is present, note the Google account details now, otherwise the device will ask for them after reset. Once reset completes, reboot to confirm the lock is gone. Finally, reboot and walk through the initial setup. Sign into your Google or Vivo account, restore backups, and set a new lock method. If the lock persists due to FRP or corrupted firmware, use official Vivo unlock tools or SB Flash with the correct stock ROM, only if you understand flashing risks. If you encounter errors, make sure USB drivers are installed, try another USB port, and if problems continue, contact an authorized service center to avoid warranty loss or further damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.